Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to move or change position WooCommerce order review section to top of the checkout page for mobile layout in WordPress. So we are in WooCommerce checkout. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our WooCommerce order review section. So we are going to move this position on top of the page for mobile layout only by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Inside header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So we are going to add custom code for mobile layout. Also we are going to add custom CSS that run for mobile layout only. And then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see check if the user is on mobile device. We added WP is mobile, so this code only work for mobile layout only because we added if condition. After that we are going to add custom CSS for mobile layout, and then scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. On left side you see appearance, and then you see customize, so open it. So we are going to add custom CSS for mobile layout only. So we are in additional CSS, so click on it, and then we are going to add some custom CSS. Now paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see we are using media only screen, and we set maximum width 768 pixel, and then you see bracket start and bracket close, and then you see CSS. So this CSS only work for mobile layout only, maximum width screen 768 pixel, and then click on publish. If you want you can adjust the maximum width as needed. Now publish done. Go to checkout page. So this is our desktop layout. Refresh the page. Go to another checkout page, and then we are going to activate mobile layout. Right click, and then you see mobile simulator. Activate the mobile view on this page. So we are in mobile layout, and then you see WooCommerce order review display on top in checkout page for mobile layout. Go to desktop layout. On desktop layout position is not changed, but on mobile layout position is changed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.